we have found the best hotel in all of Patong. Just look at this place, it's incredible. We're right next to the beach, we've got an amazing pool. Our room is beautiful. I literally can't believe we're in Patong right now. We're about 5 minutes from Bangla Road, which you probably know is the party capital. So this is just amazing. But don't worry, I'll take you with us, show you around this amazing property. Okay, let's go inside and I'll show you the room. This beautiful hotel is where we are going to be spending the next few days. It's kind of hard to believe, but we're right in the middle of Patong. Patong is like the party capital of Phuket, Thailand, but this place is just so tranquil. We're literally right opposite Patong Beach, and I love the way they've brought kind of a beachy feel to our hotel room. We've got beautiful white interiors. We've got that lovely picture right behind the bed. You definitely feel like you're at a beach resort. It's so lovely. The wood paneling on the walls really adds to the overall beach feel of the room. The hotel we're staying at today is the DoubleTree by Hilton Phuket Ban Thai Resort. We wanted to be as close to a swimming pool as possible, so we decided to book a King Deluxe poolside room. The swimming pool is literally right there. We've got a sun lounger outside our room, and I think it's genuinely like under 5 meters just to get from the bed to the pool. It's so super close. It's exactly what we wanted. When we travel, we often seem to stay at Hilton's, and one thing I really love about them are the beds. Seriously, the bed is so comfortable. One thing I don't really like about traveling is like our bed at home is super duper soft, so I'm a little bit fussy when it comes to beds, but this one's so good. This bed is seriously so comfy. The duvets are really nice, the bed's soft, the pillows are great. We've had such a nice relaxing time since we've been here. The room has a fridge and it comes stocked with Coke, water and some other drinks. The other thing that I think is really cool is they give you 2 free waters every day. You've also got different snacks like nuts and potato chips, and you've got coffee making facilities here as well. And right behind me is a double wardrobe. That's where you'll find a full-length mirror, a safe, dressing gowns and slippers. It's been awesome having so much storage space since we've been here. There are so many really helpful little touches at this hotel. So the seat I'm on right now is completely waterproof. We're in a pool suite and it's really nice knowing that I can pop to the pool, and if I feel like reading my book or doing something else, I can just come inside and sit down on this with no problems at all. It's also really, really big. You'd have no issue inviting people over and having somewhere to sit. It's absolutely massive. You've even got this huge space right here to put all of your luggage. I don't know about you, but I kind of never know where to put my luggage when I travel, but that's exactly where it can go. It's so bright and clean here. You know that any room this white has to be super clean because any dirt would show up instantly. That's another great thing to mention about hotels in the Hilton Group. They have the clean stay guarantee with every room. And we've got a huge TV. Ordering room service is really easy as well. You just scan the QR code and it comes straight to your door. The other really cool thing is just outside our room, we've got a little veranda with 2 chairs of our very own. It's so awesome. It's so set up for going to the beach. Really helpful. I'll show you the bathroom in just a minute, but first I wanted to show you this little vanity area that's in our room. It's got a huge mirror right here. We've got a hairdryer here and flannels as well as soaps and other toiletry. And just in here's the bathroom. Let's have a look. So in here we've got the toilet, we've also got a bath and a shower. And our room leads straight onto the hotel swimming pool. We've got this really lovely pool right outside our hotel room. The water is the most beautiful light blue color. There are so many different places to sit, but my favorite thing is the swim up bar. It's so cool. I always love a swim up bar. There are loads of plants surrounding the pool. It's so lush and green. Like there are loads of trees growing over the pool and so many flowers. We were in the pool earlier and one of the most beautiful frangipani flowers floated past. It's so nice. And they even have a swim-up bar. I'm kind of obsessed with swim-up bars. It's so cool being in the water and being able to go get a drink. They do really good smoothies here. I was also really excited that the pool was super warm. It was like the perfect temperature when you got in the water. That's kind of the dream. We found such a tranquil and beautiful place. It's kind of hard to believe that we're right in the middle of Patong right now. It's absolutely crazy. There are so many places to relax here. Pool is completely surrounded by seating. It's so comfortable and relaxing. I totally feel like I'm on holiday. I can't believe I'm in Patong right now. That's crazy. So we're at the main pool right now, but there's actually one more pool. There are so many different places to choose from, so it never gets too crowded. It's awesome. I still can't believe our room connects to the pool. This is just so cool. I love swimming, so this is like the best thing ever. It's got that real American Hilton vacation kind of vibe. It just has a real Western feel about it. It's not like a lot of other major hotel chains you might find in Thailand, so if you're looking to experience a new culture while you're on holiday, but you still want your room to be comfortable and familiar, this is a really good option. The hotel itself is really well set up. They have a restaurant out the front and it's really beachy, which we loved. It has live music and it also serves the same delicious pizza we had from room service. There are a few different bars and things around the hotel, including one that had swings. That's so cool. And you're only 5 minutes from Bangla Road. There's also a bakery that serves amazing cookies. Everyone gets one at check-in, which is a definite plus. The hotel lobby is absolutely massive. It has really high tent-like ceilings, and some of the rooms are there and some of the others are outside. We definitely think this is the best hotel in Patong, Phuket, Thailand. We've absolutely loved our stay here and completely recommend it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.